Hey, how's it going, everybody? Hope you're doing super well. It's Chris, your cryptocurrency guy. Now, in the last video, we talked about investing in cryptocurrency, the growth of the market, and things like that. And if you haven't checked that video out, make sure you check it out. It's pretty much going to set the trend for this video. And speaking of this video, I really want to focus on, is it too late to invest in cryptocurrency? And if not, what are the top 3 exchanges to consider? Now, for starters, a lot of people ask me all the time, hey Chris, is it too late to invest? Is it too late to get into it? There's been a lot of discussion as to whether people, let's say, missed the wagon on investing in cryptocurrency. And it's gotten to a point where people who missed the early days of Bitcoin may find it hard justifying investing at this point in time because they think they missed an opportunity. That's understandable. But at the same time, people have to keep in mind that the current value of all Bitcoins in existence pales in comparison to the trillions of dollars being moved around the world through banks and other financial institutions. So Bitcoin may never achieve that high level of value, but for all we know, it can happen within the next 3 to 5 years from now. Seriously, guys, because this has been growing. And in all actuality, the best time to invest in Bitcoin and get into this market was yesterday, okay? So one should not contemplate whether or not to invest for too long because the opportunity is here today at this moment. And when dealing with Bitcoin, opportunities come and go. They come and go. And they will be doing so for a long time based on the current trends. So let's say even if you were to buy today, right, and the value dropped by 20% overnight, there's still a good chance that one will score a profit for just holding onto it, okay? And this sort of Bitcoin balance for the foreseeable future is amazing, guys. I'm telling you. So the opportunity is now. The opportunity is today. So now that we know it's not too late and, you should get started ASAP pretty much, here are the top 3 exchanges worth considering. A lot of people ask me, hey, I'm ready to get started. I'm not sure what exchanges to consider. I hear about a lot of scams out there. It's just a bunch of different information out there, okay? But don't worry, I got you covered. I'm going to go into the top 3 exchanges to buy and sell Bitcoin. And I'm also going to give you sort of a glimpse on each site so you can kind of see how they operate. I'll talk about a little bit about the pros and cons and why you should consider a certain exchange and things like that so you can have a better feel of how everything is structured, right? So the first on our list is Coinbase. So let's jump into Coinbase really quick. I'm going to show you the site and we're going to talk a little bit about it. So let's get started.
Hey guys, before I forget, before I jump into the top 3 exchanges, I want to share, about the new cryptocurrency called MSD that's going to be launched in October. Now, what is special about MSD is that it is backed by 15 million traders and has a full market backup. And there will be 30 billion MSD available through subscription, guys. And the rate of each coin is at 10 cents. So the market capitalization is expected to be 3 billion. So make sure you check that out, guys, right here. Check it out because as I mentioned, it's going to get seriously crazy and it's going to be launched in October. So it's definitely something worth considering. I want you guys to, sort of get the heads up on exactly what's going on. So guys, you can check out the site right here. Got the landing page right here for you. Fast, private, secure, as always. So look, guys, as I mentioned, MSD is definitely coming up. Definitely want to keep that in mind. So with that being said, let's jump into those top 3 exchanges. Alright guys, as I mentioned, first on the list is Coinbase. So let's just jump into Coinbase. So by far, Coinbase is one of the most reputable Bitcoin exchanges available, guys. Coinbase is particularly popular amongst those who favor, let's say, the dollar cost averaging method, where users can really automate Bitcoin purchases every week or month. And the best part about Coinbase is that it's a no-fuss platform for just about any Bitcoin buying and selling activities. And it's amazing. They truly established a reputation as a dependable Bitcoin exchange for beginners and experts. But keep in mind, it's important to keep in mind that Coinbase is firm on keeping their reputation positive. So they are constantly monitoring transactions for suspicious activity, and they will certainly shut down your account if you're, let's say, performing any dubious activities. But here's the site, very simple, buy and sell digital currency, enter your email address to get more information, and, it just goes into a couple of countries supported, the customer serves thus far. And, it's a very easy sign-up process, very easy to connect, and very easy to get started. It's secure, as I mentioned, mobile wallet, Android or iPhone, And just the whole thing, guys, is very, very intuitive. You can check out different, facets of it on the website at Coinbase.com. So yeah, guys, as I mentioned, that's one of them. So let's jump into the next one. All right, guys, next on our list is Local Bitcoins. Now, this is actually less of an exchange and more of a, let's say, platform where individual Bitcoin buyers and sellers from all over the world can find each other. So Local Bitcoins is actually more focused per se. And when you enter the site, you'll be directed to a country-specific page, right? So it's definitely country-specific. It's definitely very, let's say, niche sort of base. And they also have, sort of a built-in escrow system that will protect both parties until the seller releases it after confirmation of payment, which is very, very great. So you can ensure that you're secure. So anyway, guys, Local Bitcoins is great if you, let's say, prefer trading directly from individuals. But bear in mind, the fact that you are dealing with individuals, you may be more prone to scammers who can possibly provide fake banking information. So be careful of that. So here it goes. You can sign up for free. You can get things started, and you pretty much see all of the different, you got some sellers, got the prices, the limits. You can see where you are specifically in your country, state, or what have you. And you can see the entire country, and yeah, buying and selling, the whole nine, guys. It's very easy to sign up. This is also very intuitive. They focus on instant, secure, and private. So they've been doing some great things. So they're definitely worth checking out. And last but not least, guys, we have Kraken. Now, Kraken really appeals to Bitcoin traders as you can leverage and even short on the platform, which is very important. And Kraken is a very reputable exchange, and it was actually one of the first Bitcoin exchanges to pass an independent audit. So definitely keep that in mind as you keep this one in mind. And look, Kraken, very, very secure. So you will have to set up a two-factor authentication process, right? So look, guys, there have been rumors as to whether entire accounts have been drained when customers fail to set this up. So keep that in mind. You have to set up that two-factor authentication process so they can really secure your account, because you definitely want your account secured, especially dealing with this type market. Guys, Bitcoin exchanges and stuff like that, you want to be secure. So that's extremely important. So Kraken, look, you can easily sign up. You can create an account super fast. And they claim themselves as the best Bitcoin exchange. They're amazing, guys. Reliability, security, liquidity, everything you need. So yeah, they were featured on the Wall Street Journal, the Blockchain Trade Block, and CNBC, the whole nine, guys. And also, they are mobile friendly, like most of them, but that helps. You can look at exactly what's going on in real time. So yeah, Kraken is amazing, guys. So as I mentioned, definitely worth checking out.
Yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. So hopefully now you have some context on cryptocurrency, how to get started, and how to get things going, the top exchanges to consider. But in the next video, we will be discussing a very interesting story that you're not going to want to miss. And I will also go into the up-and-coming cryptocurrency opportunities based on what we've been seeing in the market today. And as you can see, the market is booming, guys. So we're going to get things going. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Make sure you tune in to the next video, and I'll see you soon.